In this video, we are going to talk about the future medical technology in 2050. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. We're currently standing on the brink of the biggest wave of tech innovation since the internet launched. AI, 3D printing, IoT, and data analytics are transforming every aspect of life, from the way we live to the way we work. These technologies are also going to change the way doctors care for their patients. Healthcare will become smarter, more efficient, and better tailored to the needs of the individual patient. Providers will have groundbreaking tools to help diagnose and treat in a way no one ever dreamed possible. Here are some of the future medical technology in 2050. Let's start. Number 9. Patient files will enter the big data era. Infrastructure issues and privacy limits brought on by regulations like GDPR and HIPAA are two reasons why the big data revolution in healthcare has not yet taken place. Many healthcare technologies rely on data revolution, which is demanded by both patients and healthcare professionals. As a result, platforms for consolidating patient data, like Airstrip One, will become increasingly popular. These platforms will collect information from various unrelated sources to provide a single source of truth or a single patient record shared across healthcare professionals. A higher level of consistency in care will be possible as a result, and HCPs will also be better able to perform analytics and spot larger trends in healthcare. Number 8. Biosensors will get smaller and more versatile. A new method for printing biosensors into a patient's skin has been developed by researchers. The biosensors provide detailed information regarding temperature, cardiac function, and oxygen levels in a quick and affordable process. Elite athletes and doctors will both be interested in this kind of innovation since they require flexible methods for gathering health information. With 900 million individuals estimated to use a healthcare wearable by 2022, the market for consumer biosensors will continue to grow significantly. With sophisticated apps that can generate well-being recommendations based on data, these gadgets are getting smarter, more svelte, and more. Medical-grade ECGs are now available on various devices, allowing doctors to study wearable data as well. Number 7. Virtual consultations eliminate the waiting room. When the epidemic struck, telehealth visits shot up by 154% nearly immediately. Although telemedicine has become more and more popular in recent years, COVID required doctors to discover other means to communicate with their patients at a time when they were eager to escape the risk of the waiting room. Doctors can simulate a physical visit using platforms for virtual treatment like Visit and American Well. Platforms will integrate with data from medical devices as they advance. In order for the doctor to check vitals in real time, for instance, patients could connect their health wearable to the telemedicine platform. Number 6. AI becomes a core part of healthcare delivery. Robotic physicians may not be here for a while, but artificial intelligence is already quite important in the medical field. The ability to schedule appointments, check medicines, and get assistance for minor ailments is already possible with AI-powered chatbots. These systems will offer a more comprehensive and dependable level of medical support as they develop. On the other side of the doctor's desk, artificial intelligence is also a lifesaver. AI systems have the capacity to quickly scan millions of documents, even handwritten notes. These natural language processing (NLP) tools can assist in searching patient files for crucial information or analyzing research papers for pertinent data. Such technology might drastically cut down on a doctor's administrative duties, while also enhancing patient care. Number 5. 5G will tie everything together. A significant innovation for the healthcare sector is 5G. It provides a flexible, high-speed infrastructure even in far-off places. Large medical files, like MRI images, will be simple for healthcare professionals to share and access as a result. HD video conversations will be available for both patients and doctors during telemedicine sessions. The Internet of Things, which will enable a new generation of wearables and biosensors, is another feature of 5G. Over time, 5G will enable some incredible new advancements in medical technology. As an illustration, 5G offers the ideal data infrastructure for running a self-driving ambulance. In this scenario, a smart car would drive itself to the ER while paramedics concentrated on the patient. A technique that depends on speed. VR surgery can also be supported by 5G. Number 4. Vaccine development will get faster. Prior to COVID-19, a functional vaccine took an average of 4 years to create. Inoculations for COVID were administered administered within a year of the earliest instances being initially reported, so we didn't have to wait that long. In just 48 hours, one vaccine was created. Why was the pace picking up so quickly? The mRNA platform, which was utilized to generate several of the licensed vaccines, played a significant role. Instead of the months required by conventional biotech, researchers can chemically synthesize vaccine candidates using this platform. Researchers anticipate that this platform will enable considerably quicker vaccine development for both current diseases and potential pandemics. Number 3. Super pills change the way we think about medicine. It has been a while since pills underwent a revamp, but that may soon change. To make custom tablets for patients, researchers are examining the world of 3D pill printing. For instance, with this technology, a child's pill with a lesser dose can be printed in a vibrant color, better suitable for younger patients. The market for poly pills, which provide many medications in a single dose, is also expanding. Even IoT and biosensors could be found in the upcoming super pills. Adherence monitors, a sensor that determines whether the patient is taking their medications at the appropriate time, are a feature of current models. These pills could eventually capture pictures or monitor intestinal health, eliminating the need for a colonoscopy. Number 2. Genome sequencing becomes standard for everyone. About $2.7 billion was spent on the initial genome sequencing project. Genetic testing now often costs around $1,000. Despite being a miracle advancement, it is far more expensive than alternative medical diagnostic methods. Most patients won't request genome sequencing unless their physician has a prior suspicion of a genetic disorder. However, the cost of genome sequencing is still declining, with the majority of competitors aiming for a $100 starting point. Chinese researchers assert that they have already achieved this goal, while companies like Illumina believe they are near. Genetic data will become more accessible once a genetic test costs as little as a blood test, which will revolutionize healthcare. Number 1. Health providers will follow the Netflix model. Buying health insurance is debatable. It is costly, obtrusive, and provides little immediate return. This indicates that the time is right for a company to disrupt the digital space using the Netflix business model, which relies on subscriptions rather than premium content, open pricing, and a unified ecosystem. Expect to see more businesses embrace this strategy as millennials and Gen Z become the primary demographic for health insurance advertising. Health insurance companies will reinvent themselves as wellness partners as a result of this change. The objective is to provide wearables, analytics, and chatbots powered by AI so that people may control their own health. It will be simple to consult with a doctor, as well as a nutritionist, fitness teacher, and wellness coach, virtually thanks to telemedicine. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.